Kablay pi baro syakatup kubor jongi kadan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san menta ka singi kilong. Ka Assembly Secretariat kanam penlong ya ka jingra khe dap san post nam kumbala thmu ong umet ba lungdo. Deban penjun sur karta thum kam sorkar ong umet ba lungdo. Rai ka kun hun menteri ban penken ria no ya ka administrative building shamau pedang mau kanu. Ban penken mau biang ka UDP halor upur usam bat ka ketien khasi garo. Tementai ne phaj ki khubor ki bakham bania. Namar ka jing perking jong ka sorkar halor ka jing wan ling shop biang ka klam COVID-19 ka jing thmu jong ka Meghalaya Assembly Secretariat ban penlong ya ka jing rakhe ka bahe bha halor ka jing dapsan posnam ka jing yo ya ka jilla bapura kanumla ban urlong. Habekran baru ba met ba lungdo ubade ulampang ka yeng dor bar thau an ka jilla ulaong. Haka at pawai terik ngilabu eka program pat haka jing shisha ngilamut banbu eka program ka bahe bha henrei namar kini ki adong bat ki jing perking ka baka sorkar kala penjari ki nong shong shnong baro nginum la shu ban le kumba ngila thmu ban rakhi ya ka jing dap san posnam jo ka jing yo ya ka jilla bapura habakran halor ka jing te ya ka yeng dor bar thau an uba met ba ulaong bana kalyang jong u bat ka Assembly Secretariat lashem tayo kinlit ban jurib biang ya ka jing yat shaprang jong ka kam ka jing te jong ka yeng dor bar thau an ka jilla
Iterik ni dalam bu itu program harus disini namun bu itu program ke bahaya lah. Kemudian namar ba ini protocols, instructions bagi komen kala. Ai bakal betah ya di dalam sosong baru. Di minum lah cuk ban lek kumbang ni lah plan bagi berkat ban celebrate ya ke dekat state ke jumi. Ya ke jumi ya state ke jumi. Agar kom ke bar ham i ipo iping lane kham hai enrei wala kataru nama kini kalong sisil san posnam ingin la ekni ta ka apoi kari jong nai kita bad ya kini ne kan ne po asal ni bad akaban ni maintain ya kata restrictions ke ba follow ya restrictions dan
Habakran halor ka jingte ya ka yeng dor bar thau an uba met ba ula ong ba nakalyang jong u bat ka Assembly Secretariat Rashem tayo kinit ban jurib biang ya ka jingyat shaprang jong ka kam ka jingte jong ka yeng dor bar thau an ka jilla.
Ya but tray boro si nda sistem tam. Hari jisang ni tadi ban temdak hubunai November December ni apa sang ban lino tambah nak bentak dengan second wave ke bawah kalau petut ke bawah sau menai bat sang menai. Dan dai wala katar ni ya cakman ke jingte but ubnai lakum kumno menta kut udah jodoh ini lah dap ya kan construction tapi kuat pada ruk di sini nak agak juga pot untuk nanti celebration atau beri pada juga state hot untuk parti ini simple lah dunia kan party office pura kumang di sini
Uba met ba ula ong kawai ka benta ka badan kamba bat kata ka dei ka jingken tie karta na ka benta ban yo rung haka kam sorkar bat namar ba ka don kani ka klam COVID-19 adu usnam hajar arpo new e badon shibun ka jingleng a ka jing snusi bat ka jingbu kho jongki khna samla namar ba ka snam ban yo rung kam sorkar kalong hapo lai pho asnam karta nakalyang uba met ba ula ong ka parti kala ai da ka jing tho sho menteri rang ba bo unshim khia haka baya dei bat kani Nalor kata, uba met ba ulaya thu, baka mat ke basau, ke baka seng UDP ke labut din, kadai halor ka jingdon kam ban pia no, ya ka asa Meghalaya cadre, bat bantung no da ka jonglade, ke ban tepat ba kum ka Meghalaya cadre. Shu ulaong, baki wei kimat ki bakun thup ya ka ILP, bat ki wei de, ka UDP kandang beteng ban yai dawa.
Namar ba kadon kani ka COVID kat kendai, nadu ustem ajar kat ni. Aja arpo itu asnem dam samantaka stem mintip ke ibadia haki snem ki por ki bana wanru ngi baka don shibon ke jingleng a ke jing sosi bat ke jing bu kho ke jong ki khna samla ki ba jong ka state ke jongi namar ba ka age limit ke long tang hadu lai po asnem de nakaliang jong ka party ke jongi ngila ai ke jing tho chau chief minister ba unsim kia ka bade bat kani bat hoy ladon ke jing tsno ba ka don bi jing ka bade bat kani ten reng ya iban alor ki nongrim ba kum ki we ki state ki la kan tiu ya kani ka age limit na ka lai pu a ki don kan tiu ka lai pu pra kidang ki kentiu saka sopo bat kum tata bagi yo I ba kalong ke badan kam ha na ka benta kanika ka jingyo kam yo jam yo ki kena bat ba ni don sibon ki kena ki ba ka estimate to ki in between ha ka pedeng life ar ba life nyo ki ba mla shu ya ka banyo ki kam sota tengah so bat nga ban biang hangi ba chief minister un pet tikna ha ka bade bat ni ka kam bat ban consider bat ban shim ya ka kum ko we ni ki mat ki ba don kam banga so ba kan ni snem ko ni ki ka san po snem talong ka ba smotunat bala da kan wan kum kan ni ka jing continuo ya kan ni ka instrument na ka lai ku a sia ka lai pinyo kawan ni so to ki dan ki department ki ba ni la ban continuo ka is let's say ki kam kum ki police mo ki ba de ba ki ni dan kam ki karta jung ki ba dang kena ki dang samla ba mla ban ong lai pinyo snem si drong na ne lai pinyo chu lai kuras snem si drong unang la ban ni be ka kam nama ka tu ke is kadang dai ki kena ki ban kam klein ba ki ban kam du na te ngaso man ong ba ni ka soka ka ban bisyarnya ban bangin pitikna bang ya ban pet ba ya kani ka is ni tu de ban increase no na kalai pa sha kalai pinyo snem te kani ka long ka benta ka ba na kaliang junga so ban ong ba kum ka parti ngidang ai ya ka jingkersan ka jungi ha ka bede bat ka jingkentiu ya ka estimate na kaliang jong ka life asnem saka life winyo snem
Nalor kata uba metba ulayat hu bakamat ka basaw ka bakaseng UDP kala bodin kadai halor ka jingdan kam ban phia no ya ka asa Megalia kadra bat ban thung no da ka jong la jong ka ban tepat ba kum ka Megalia kadra shu ula ong ba kiwei kimat ki ba kentup ya ka ILP bat kiwei de ka UDP kandang beteng ban yai dawa
ya menta hi ki kadar ki ni dang yai be ka asa Megalia kadar te kala dei ka por wala da ngam tip la kala ne ban long mun taw snem te hendrei na kalian ka state ngi la de hi bandon ka jong kadar no kamu mut ka Megalia kadar be tang la ka jong state ke jong ni ka ba ngindon no la ka jong ba ngim de shu bandon ka chi kle ba ha ka de ba ka sam ba ka Megalia kadar na ka benta kidi ki kam ki bo pero ki ba ha ba jong kita ki long ki ma na lo kini ki wi ki agenda ki be de ki ba ka state ka community hak beri bat ka ILP bat kum tata ini pilong kiwin ki ban ki don kam ki ba kum ka pating ya bodien na ko po sakun
Kakunhun Menteri bala penyai da Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma mentakasngi kala shem ya ka rai ban penken ria no ya ka administrative building jang ka sor karjela ka badan menta ha additional secretariat ha Shillong Shamau Padang Mau Khanu Habakran haginong thokot khubor batlat pathai khubor Menteri badai pet yaki kampo yeng uba alak men rumboy ulaya tho baya umau nong rim yeng pante ya ka administrative building inbo haka arphoi tarik uklalengkot arhajar arphoar
The government has approved the shifting of the administrative building of government of Meghalaya to New Township, Shillong Township near Mau Padang, Mau Khanu. As you are aware that the government is acquiring about 807.78 acre of land in this new township. So it is fit that taking into consideration the congestion in Shillong, taking into consideration the expanding of the new township, that the administrative building, a common office, will be shifted to that new site at Mau Padang, Mau Khanu. The foundation stone for the same will be laid on the 21st of Jan 2022. That is the first agenda which the Cabinet has approved today.
Kakunhun Menteri Kepala Syong Perkat Kam Mentakasni kala aya ka jing menjur jong ka ban pentre kam ya ka Early Childhood Development Mission. Ka jing thumu jong kani kalong ban ailat ya baro ki khna bakin ya yo ban talam ha kaliang ka kot ka khya bat kumju ru ha ka tho ka puli. Hakabaya debat kani Menteri ki kampo yeng uba lakman rumbui ulaong.
Taking into consideration that the need of the early childhood development for the holistic development of the children, the cabinet today has approved the early childhood development mission. In this, it will be a convergence of the social welfare, the health department, education, and all the stakeholders, so that the children will get the benefit of healthcare, education in the state of Meghalaya. Moreover, as you know that there are about 1,500 plus of village which does not serve by this ICDS under Akanvadi program. So with this implementing of this mission, we hope that we will be able to cater to the need of the children who need the care at the early stage.
Kakunhun Menteri Mentakasngi kala aya ka jing menjur jongka ya ka Meghalaya Amendment Act 2022. Hakabaya debat kani Menteri ki kampo yeng uba lakman rumbui ulaya tho baka kunhun menteri kala shimru ya ka rai ban pediang tang ya kitu ki bala debbo application ban ya pendap no ya ka jing siu khajna jongki shaka sarkar da ka jing ngau tho jing mutlang.
The government has approved the proposal to amend the Meghalaya Settlement of Areas under the State Taxation Act Amendment Ordinance 2022. As you are aware that the government has implemented the one-time settlement of tax, but in the course of time, there are some person, some firm, some agency who have already paid some percentage of the tax, but they could not clear all. There are some firm which have already submitted the application, but they could not pay because the last date for settlement of the same is over. So the taxation department have moved to keep only for those who have submitted the application, who have submitted their willingness as on that date. The purpose is just to settle that people which have already been applied for the same. So the cabinet also has approved this ordinance to enable those dealers, traders, or person who have a liability to settle the tax. With this, the government will able to generate about 12 crore for these pending cases which are lying with the taxation department.
Menteri ki kampo yeng uba lakman rumbui Mentakasngi ulaya tho baka kunhun menteri kala aya ka jing menjur jongka hakabaya debat ka registration of vehicle ha Meghalaya.
As you know that the registration of vehicle, once they transfer outside the state, a person outside the state or take the vehicle outside the state, after 1 year they have to again to register in another state. So the government of India have implement this, bring out the new BH series, where this will be a benefit more for the people who transfer from one place to another place. They didn't have to register their vehicle if they go from one state to another state due to transfer or change of residence. So the transport department have brought this cabinet memo, and the cabinet has approved for the same, where the BH series will also be implemented in the state, so that a person who is transferred from one place to another place, he don't need to register the vehicle again and again to get the new number. And number 5, the cabinet also have taken the issue of extending the age limit for employment into the government, enter into the government service. So, but there are some issues which need to be fine-tuned. So the government is deferred to take it into the next cabinet. So these are the agenda which we have taken up today and approved by the cabinet today.
Ka United Democratic Party UDP kabay trelang bat ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA kabalalam khmat da ka National People's Party NPP hapo ka jingyalam ukonrat ke sangma kum Menteri rangba kilada banpha nadu usnam 8,000 arpo ya ka jingtho sha ka Sarkar ha ka bayade bat kimat ki bala sa tengla slambha bat ka we ka dei halor upod usam habaya kran bat uba medba lindo ubade President jongka UDP ulaong Kumbalong menta usngau tenat baka Sarkar kala shim ya ka jingkit kle ban pen urlong ya ki jingdawa babun ban pen bet ya upod usam bat ka jing penrung ya ka ktien khasi ha ka khrnet bapra ha ka riti sanshar jongkari India.
Lai ke jingtho nadu 2020 21 ha ka bede ba ki tuki issue ki bala sa pending la slam ha mo ka wei ke dei ha ka bede ba upod usam jong ka state dengan someone ong ba ya mentahi na so tenat banang ke government ka simia ka steps ka ba don kam ha ban ka ba pen I ba ka don ke jing ki ka ba di ba tani ba ka snoru ba kum ka state nin rukhi ya ka jing dap jong ka san posnem ka long ke ba nimpat la ya ka ban pendek je kita ki put isam ki jong ka state ka jongi ham tambat ka Assam ha ka bedei bat ka ka kasi language ka ba ni kum ka state ni don ka benta ka ba kraw ha pat ni don ka daw ko ba biang ha ba kumno ba ka Sarkar India kan itu no ya ka Ktien khasi bak tin garo kumbang yang ai ke jing thos ke government lim bau chief minister naka banta bau nya kren bak ka Sarkar India bakala dei ke por ya ka bakin itu no ya ka khasi language bak ka garo language kum ke jing penrung ya ki ha ka khnet ko pra ka ha ka ichu
Menteri rangba ka Meghalaya ukonrat ke sangma menta kasi ulapli ya ka jing pen kha kamra thama ya ka jakari khna maulai krech ha maulai nonglung ya kani ka jakari khna la penya da ka sengken the maulai nonglung habakran hakate kasni Menteri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ulakularu baka Sarkar kan samang pisa naga benta banshna ya ka kenro jong kani ka jaka sumar khna.
But it's been a beautiful day, and my first opportunity to really go from locality to locality and interact with the people. I was listening to the President speaking just now, and you'll be happy to know that we are starting a program today. In the cabinet, we'll be passing it. We're calling it Early Childhood Development Program. And this is a program which I think no other state has started this. And the purpose behind this program is to realize and to also focus and put stress on the fact that children grow mentally, emotionally, and in every sense between the age of 0 or between the age of 1 and 8. And therefore, early childhood development and ensuring that they are guided in the right way during that phase is very important. So this is a very unique program. We have got an externally aided funding of close to 300 crores for this program to be done. And it will be in centers like these that these programs will be taken up. So therefore, I will ensure that, and just make a note, Shan, I would request Shan to kindly make a note on this, that we make sure that this should be in the first phase. And so that we can give all the financial support and all the other kind of support that's required to make this happen. But having said that, I really would like to thank all the members who have made this possible. It is such a unique program that you are running, and something I feel other localities should learn and should also follow. So it's a great, great example that you have set, and I will make sure that I mentioned this today in our cabinet meeting also, and I make sure that we mention it whenever we launch this program at an official level, the kind of work that you're doing out here.
Mentakasngi nakaliang ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTM kalapenlong ya ka jingya ki hakmat ka main secretariat. Habai kran bakilat pathai khubor uba Kenneth Shadab uba long president jongkani ka seng ula ong bakim danlat dakumwe bat mentakasngi nakaliang ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTM kalapenlong ya ka jingya ki hakmat ka main secretariat. Habai kran bakilat pathai khubor uba Kenneth Shadab ubalong presiden jongkani kaseng ula ong ba kim dan la da kumwe pat namar ba ka sarkar ka sngap kuman ya ki jingker pa jongki nong hikai
ka jingwan jongi hangne banlong hakmat sekretariat sendan kadai ngi kwa ba kini kinong mi khmat mo ki basong hangne sekretariat kinyo i yangi bangi la syathok nadu arhajar khat praru la syathok arhajar khat khandai ru la syathok arhajar arpho ru la syathok arhajar arpuwei rula syathok te syathok si syathok si syathok tengim ban se ken ban wanyeng hangne hakmat sekretariat sendan namang yeng hangne ru tang saungut namar ngem kwa ban penkheng mo ya ka law and order ngi buram ya ka riti sensar jong kari India ka bai bor yang ngi katkum ka artikel khat khandai clause 1 clause B ka basya yang ngi bangin yeng peacefully without arms
kah nyautrap National Youth Movement mentakasngi kalapen bena bakan penlong ya kajingyat pat ba badra lama yong hakasi rakhe ya kajingdap sanpos nem kajala Meghalaya haka khat nyautrik u klalengkot arhajar arphuar kinong ya lam jong kani ka seng kiloong bakam mentoy banyale kemen les ngobha banyo jela Papura namar ba hadu menta amshem layo ya kita ki jingdawa kum kajing pentrekam ya ka inline permit kajing ya penbet ya upod usam hapreng ka Meghalaya bat Assam kajing itu eka ketin kasi bat kiwe u president ka HNYF uba Louis Dotdong ulaong
kalian kesang hi kumba ngilai simrai haka eksekutif komiti jung kesang kata galong ba haka arfoi trek komisi benta ban rakhe bat ka sarkar ya kani ke jingdap san phosnam kasang kan rakhe ya ke jingdap san phosnam de jela Meghalaya da ka bangin pelong da ka black flag march na office ng kasang namulai nginya samaran puluh ka jaka ha ka ba lapon khre ya ka jing rakhe ka jing dap sang phosnam jug jala Meghalaya ya barkhot ki district level hadu ki zone ki region ki circle ki unit jung kasang barkhot kin sapoi hasilong tu kasngi na ka banta ban rakhe bakani ka sarkar ya kata jing dap sang phosnam jug jala Meghalaya rangkat kilamayok bat hak tay gasngi ngin sa pankre aru nadu ke program man pelang na meeting kat haba ngin sa pait ka program ngin sa pantep yang sepiru haga bede bat kata ga jaka pelang meeting haga nugu jaka te namar ba mentan ngila sungthu bakal adan ka wur-wur nang nang tai ba kinam aila ka te gasngi kan don kata ka security ka baklan ma khanang ba nam don bunung no panthot e ka te gasngi
Pada kitu ki khubor ni lapoi syabakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang kublai sibuan.